22, Zach Rosenbacher. And forward is senior from McDonald, Pennsylvania, number 24, Mike Lamberti. Junior from Parkersburg, West Virginia, number 4, David Byrne. And at guard, a freshman from Canal, Winchester, Ohio, number 3, David Phillips Jr. And coach of the Hilltoppers, Jim Crutchfield. Starting tonight for the Lincoln Memorial Rail Splitters. Sophomore from Greenville, South Carolina, number 15, Cole Dixon. At forward, a sophomore from Enterprise, Alabama, number 33, Emmanuel Terry. From Lawrence, South Carolina, number 20, LeBron Jones. At guard, a senior from Knoxville, Tennessee, number 24, Jalen Steele. At guard, a senior from Ivy, Maryland, number 12, Jarrell Simmons. Of the Rail Splitters, Josh Shirk.